Pauley Perrette, born March 27, 1969, is an American retired actress and singer. She played Abby Sciuto in the television series NCIS from 2003 to 2018. Early life. Perrette was born in New Orleans, Louisiana, to Paul Perrette and Donna (née Bell) Perrette and raised throughout the southern United States. She lived in Georgia, Alabama, Tennessee, North Carolina, South Carolina, New York, New Jersey, and California. In a 2011 interview with the Associated Press, Perrette confessed her early ambitions were to work with animals, be in a rock and roll band, or be an FBI agent. Perrette attended Valdosta State University in Valdosta, Georgia, where she studied criminal justice, and later moved to New York City to study at the John Jay College of Criminal Justice. In New York, she held a variety of jobs, and quote, "Not only was I bartending in the club kids scene, with a bra and combat boots and a white mohawk, but I also wore a sandwich board on roller skates passing out flyers for Taco Bell in the Diamond District," end quote. Perrette also worked as a cook on a Manhattan dinner cruise boat. Career. Perrette at the No 8 campaign in 2009. Perrette has worked in television and film, mostly doing commercials, voice overs, music videos and short films. She worked as a bartender in New York City. While working odd jobs in New York, she was introduced by a friend to an advertising agency director. This prompted her move to Los Angeles, where she had a variety of bit parts and made several guest appearances. She appeared as a waitress at Cafe Nervosa in the sitcom Frasier during season 4, in the episode unquote, 3 Dates and a Breakup unquote winking face, and she guest starred in season 1 of 24. She has made appearances in several films, including The Ring and Almost Famous. In 2001, as a recurring character introduced in season 2 of Special Unit 2, she played Alice Kramer, the Unit and #39's public relations person. She landed her most prominent role, that of Abby Sciuto, an eccentric forensic scientist, in NCIS, a television series based on the Naval Criminal Investigative Service. Perrette and #39's initial appearances as the character were in 2 episodes of Jug aired in spring 2003. These served as a backdoor pilot and introduced the characters. She has since appeared as Abby in 2 2009 episodes of NCIS, Los Angeles, as well as in 2 episodes of NCIS, New Orleans in 2014 and 2016. Music. Perrette recorded her song unquote, Fear unquote, co-written with Tom Pauls, under the name unquote, Stop Making Friends unquote. The song was recorded for NCIS, the official TV soundtrack which was released on February 10, 2009, and quote, Fear unquote, was featured in the NCIS episode unquote, Aliyah unquote. Season 6 episode 25, according to the soundtrack and #39's website. Prior to this, Perrette was the lead singer in the Los Angeles-based all-female band Low Ball, using the stage name unquote, Pauley P unquote. The song unquote, Can and #39, T Get Me Down unquote, by Low Ball is heard in the film Legally Blonde. Perrette appeared in unquote, the Unnamed Feeling unquote, video for heavy metal band Metallica from their album Street Anger. In 2011, Perrette was the featured vocalist on a song called unquote, Fire in Your Eyes unquote, by B. Taylor, a Las Vegas-based hip-hop artist. She also sang on the 2011 single unquote, Attention Please unquote, by DMC. Personal life. Perrette married Canadian actor and musician Coyote Shivers in 2000. The couple separated 4 years later, with their divorce becoming final in 2006. She was granted restraining orders against him, alleging that he subjected her to physical, emotional, and sexual abuse during and after their marriage. Perrette worked with America and #39's Most Wanted in February 2004 to present the city of Prattville, Alabama, with a check for $10,000, which will be used to supplement the reward offer for information leading to the arrest of the person who killed Shannon. Pock Pock was from Prattville, Alabama, near where Perrette had once lived as a child. Perrette also donated $10,000 to Detroit law enforcement officials in 2007 to be used as a reward for information regarding the disappearance, murder of Raven Jeffries, a 7-year-old Detroit girl. Perrette and #39's then partner was from Detroit. The story originally aired on America and #39's Most Wanted on September 8, 2007, on Fox. She also asked them for help in finding the persons who killed her friend, Lisa Williamson, who was murdered in 2007 after her Detroit home was set on fire. In 2009, Perrette worked with America and #39's Most Wanted on the case of Tammy Vincent. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel.